this piece. Okay, so made in China. Well, doesn't matter, that making noise, so I have to remove that piece, this piece first. Okay, so to remove it, you see right here, screw, so you have to push from this side. Okay, so you got enough space, you have to catch up, so catch up and pull, so you got it like that. So better get it, one here, and the one down there. So I just remove it too. One, they don't have it. Okay. It was right here. It was right there inside. Right here. So that white piece is attached to the blend door and generator. On the top, screw. On the bottom right here, screw. So 2 screws. This is the wire. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back right now. Let me try to put it in. It's perfectly something like this. This one is right here underneath. Right there. Let me try to hand tie because that make it more fast. So let me put the wire in it right here. I want to show you, but you know, I can't even see myself, so sometimes it's difficult to show you guys. Okay, I'm good right now.